we are just like normal people, even though we're created different.
It's been so long since I wrote.
I'm not sure what it means, but I think I might have a little bit of autism.
I'm gonna eat this one for the camera.
What made you like kids with disabilities?
That's what she said. Working on to fall.
Special needs should never be called retarded.
Do the things we never had.
I don't let my disability ruin my life.
It's Dolly!
Everyone deserves a second chance.
And people with disabilities, we are like normal people, so treat us like normal people.
That's right. I would say you might be better than normal. You want to keep going?
Yeah.
All right.
Hi, my name's Kate. Welcome to another episode of Rice Krispie King. Today I'll be baking with my good friend Andy Davenport.
Oh yeah, pouring it in.
But Jesus loves special needs kids because we're his own.
That's right. But that is why we say every creation is beautiful. And everyone deserves to be treated like royalty. Would you say that God created you just as you are?
Yes.
And did he make a mistake when he created you?
Never!
So, you were fearfully and wonderfully made?
Yes!
How do you like to celebrate? Do you like to sing or dance?
I like to party. And the best thing is, I got to be in 2 weddings.
You did? What'd you do in the weddings? You sing?
No,
Did you dance?
I was a bridesmaid. I was a bridesmaid for my cousin and my best friend Maddie Jones Finney. Hi, Maddie Jones! I love you!
Another shout out.
I was a bridesmaid and it was so fun. I got to be my best friend, my cousin's wedding, and I got to join a lot of bachelorettes and got to get my hair and just hang out with them and sit at the big table. The best thing about when I was in Young Life a few years ago, I can't remember, maybe 3 years ago, I got to do a mission trip in Pico in the Dominican Republic. Can't remember the city, but the camp was Pico and Staccato.
Uh-huh. That was your favorite thing, getting to go on a mission trip to
Yes.
Dominican Republic?
Yes, I think the hard thing was one day I didn't drink enough water. I had this headache, and I think it's dehydrated because I threw up a lot.
That's never good.
It gets hot down there, but it's a fun place.
I bet it's fun.
Except when you have to eat the same thing over and over again. Like
Yeah.
the chicken and rice, but
How does it make you feel when you can serve?
happy.
What kind of things did you do?
We washed dishes, we helped clean the cabins, we played with the kids.
And you're pretty good at all 3 of those, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah. Kate wanted to ask me some questions.
What made you want to start this Rice Krispie King show?
Am I sitting too close to you?
No.
Okay. That's a good question. It's a little uncomfortable being on this side of the camera, I have to be honest. Over quarantine, we just started dreaming. And part of our dreams was about helping other people know how awesome our friends with disabilities are. I know that you're really awesome, but I know so many of my friends don't know you or maybe don't take time to get to know you. Mm-hmm. And I knew if we did a show like this, maybe they would get to know how awesome you were, and maybe they'd make some new friends with disabilities. All right, you ready? You want to give this a shot?
Ready?
Uh-oh. Okay. Well, the part of the black is it makes our whole mouth black when we do it. But still, how's it taste?
Good. It's crunchy and good.
Crunchy and good.
What made you like kids with disabilities? Like, when did you know you like kids with disabilities? Or adults?
Gosh. You need to be running this show. Your questions are so much better than mine. I grew up, my next door neighbor growing up was Mary Ellen McSpadden. She was a little person. And she was my babysitter and one of my heroes. And my good buddy down the street was Johnny Stallings, and Johnny had Down syndrome. And those were just my friends. I didn't know any different. All right, Kate, butter up. We got butter, 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 butter. And what you want to do is you can roll it. It doesn't roll that well.
Rolling. They hating. the time, they're running dirty.
No, they think I'm running dirty. When someone gets treated ugly, do you ever say anything?
Yes, I say it. Are you okay? What did they do to you?
Were you ever bullied?
Yes, in 8th grade, I think I was bullied. Probably nobody understood I had special needs.
What happened?
I got called stupid and stuff.
What'd you do about that?
I told my parents and the teachers.
Do you think kids today still get bullied in school?
Yes, bullying is not a good thing. And if bullying leads to someone homicide, bullies have a right to be charged with first-degree murder.
What would you say to a girl in 8th grade who's getting bullied?
Say, hey, listen, stick up for yourself. Tell someone that this is going on. Don't let the bully tell your parents. Tell a school person or a counselor to help and to tell the bully that's not okay.
All right, we're to the K. Do you want to cut the K or do you want me to?
You please.
Okay. You a little more comfortable when I cut it?
Yes.
Okay, so we're
Don't
going to
wanna
take
hurt
that
myself.
off. You can eat that.
Okay. I'm gonna eat this in front of the camera.
All right, so a K. Yeah, thank you. Look, okay. Tell me about your disability.
Well, I have motor skills, which is hard for me sometimes to do certain things, and then I'm not sure what it means, but I think I might have a little bit of autism.
What do you think autism is?
Autism has to do with the way your speech and your brain works.
How does your brain work?
Different ways. Sometimes I act like autism because I like make happy faces when I get excited, or like do things with my hands.
And can you control that?
No, but I try to control it.
Why?
So it doesn't embarrass other people.
Do you think it embarrasses other people when you do things with your hands when you get excited?
Yes.
Has somebody told you that before?
Yes.
How'd that make you feel?
I think it's a good thing.
That they told you?
Yes.
It's never embarrassed me.
Thank you.
What are some of the things you're really great at?
I'm great at making friends. I've been good about doing my Young Life homework and remembering some memory verses.
Yeah, so you're in the Young Life Leadership Experience.
Yes.
And tell us a little bit about that.
So we've been having Zoom training, and then we talk about our day, and then we talk about different things. We learned about being brave, humble, valuable, and what's the other one?
Being a learner?
Being a learner.
Yeah. So you're learning those leadership skills
Yes.
so that you can...
To be a better leader.
Is it working?
Yes.
That's awesome. I love that. So you want to show off so you've memorized one verse? Or how many verses?
I can do one verse.
All right, go for one. Which one?
Right away, Jesus called out to them, "It is I, be brave. Don't be afraid." Matthew 14:27. I want to grow in becoming a good leader for Young Life.
What does that mean?
To be a good, humble servant leader. I'm in a special needs Sunday school at Brentwood Hills called Best Class Ever. We took over a church service once, and the preacher talked to me, and they said after that they told my mom, well, Kate does good with like telling about people about good Christianity.
That's
And
awesome.
about faith, and I'm a good example of it.
Yes, you are. That's awesome. I love that. So a church takeover.
Yes.
Did they know you were about to take over?
No, but the preacher planned. He's such a nice guy. Thank you, Walt Lee, for your listening to this. I love you. Thank you for letting us do it.
Now what we're going to do is make the ABLE logo where Kate works, and it's just the letters ABLE. When we cut letters, we do our best to match up fonts and make it look like it. But what I would say is more important today is giving Kate an opportunity to work in the kitchen with a knife and the letters. And it'll be beautiful no matter what she does. We did have a little conversation in between filming, and tell me a little bit about how you feel about using a knife.
I will use it, but I am going to concentrate. I'm going to take my time. I'm not going to let that hit my hand.
Yeah, because you're
I
worried.
do not want to get stitches. I'm terrified of those.
You don't want stitches. Have you ever had them?
No, I almost did. I got terrified.
Yeah, okay. If you were working with our friends with disabilities in the kitchen, or somebody who's never worked in there, or even trying new things, because we know trying new things can be what?
Scary.
It can be scary. It can be hard. But we still want to try it, because until we take that chance, we may not know we can do it. And so we're going to give Kate an opportunity today to do that. What do you want to tell people about disabilities?
That we are just like normal people, even though we're created different.
Press down hard. We want to go the tip first. Now watch this. This is get your finger close. I want you to come up like this. You're going to grip this with your right hand. There we go. We're going to go here and then drag. You ready? Drag. Does that feel better?
I am going to concentrate.
Drag. Does that feel better?
To concentrate.
Okay, good. Lift up. Yep, there we go. Press down and drag. So when I say press down, I'm not doing a great job explaining. I'm going to keep that tip down and drag this way. And we won't hit ourselves. We're actually going to shift some letters. It's going to be a better E. That's going to be a great L. This is going to be the perfect B. And that's going to be an A. And
Eat it.
that's going to be for me. But now I need to wash my hands.
That's what you said. Is it true?
Hey. Oh, I love you.
I got that from The Office. It's a bad joke. Okay, I present to you an ABLE with a K necklace. And if you liked my video, and if you like this, make sure to like us all on our video and to hit that notification bell to never miss an episode.
That's right. And if you'll hit the subscribe button too, that will help send you also those notifications. And when you hit subscribe and you share this with other people and you like it and do all the things that Kate said, it supports what we're doing at Krispie King and Cakes and Conversations. Kate, you did unbelievable today. And as you saw, getting to know Kate today, and even as she shared with us earlier, we believe every creation is beautiful.
Yes.
And everyone deserves to be treated like royalty.
Yeah.
So let's start treating. We'll see you in the kitchen.
Till next time, America.